Bron i 9 munud o'r gêm di chwarae. Fletcher ar dafliad tir. Wythyn allan gan Crowther. Hughes a Thomas yn brwydro ar ymyl y cwrt Cosby. Edwards a hi allan i Darren Thomas sy'n lledu'r chwarae'n wych. Thomas i Brookwell. Brookwell. Rownd y golwr. Brookwell. Roedd Caernarfon ar y blaen. 10 munud ar y cloc. Wrth ymwysyddiad gwyn gan y cofis. Chweched gol o'r tymor i'r asgellwr. Y dechreuad perffaith i dîm Sion Ardley. Caernarfon 1. Y Drenewydd dim. Barnes arbeniad. Edwards yn ffigio i fyny. Derbyn i ôl gan Kai Jones. Roesiad yn ddifn ond Kenton sy'n clirio. Mae'r bell a Thomas ar y foli! Thomas yn tan o postyn! A mae Breeze yn rhwydd ail o cofis o'r noson. 12 munud o'r hanner cyntaf am weddill. Thomas ar ergyd yn taro'r postyn. A Breeze yn ymateb yn gynt na neb. Sgwar i Fletcher. Fletcher ar ymyl y cwrt Cosby cael ei baglu. Na, oedd tackle a gan Edwards, Brookwell. A gylwymach mae Leslie yn brosgamu mewn yn cael ei dynnu nôl. Mae Brookwell dal i fynd i Bay Barnes. Brookwell dynnu nôl i Breeze. Jimmy Breeze ar beidiad wych gan Dave Jones. Unwaith eto gwrth ymwysyddiad chwym gan Caernarfon. Mae'r cyflymder gan Brookwell yn achosi pob math o broblemau. Breeze. Edwards yn ffigio fyny dan bwysau gan Fletcher. Bas dda i Darren Thomas, do ddim yn cam sefyll. Thomas! Yn strwydo'r drydedd gol i'r cofis. Chydig dros 3 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Y bas yn holli'r amddiffyn. 5 o'r tymor i Thomas. Ail yn eibyn y Drenewydd. Barnes arbennydd allan, Thomas. Breeze. Edwards ar ergyd, ond ar arbediad gan Jones. Sydd ato fo, ac am Darren o ergyd gan Kai Jones. Dim gobaith i Dave Jones. Mae o'n gandryll a'i amddiffynwyr. Ond mae hwnna yn gol i throsori i'r blaenwr o Borthmadog. Phillips. William Rushton ma'n Leslie. A ti cefn, mi oedd o ti cefn i'r Edwards, ond dal ar meddiant. Phillips torri ar ei droi der, ergyd! Yr arbediad dros y traws gan Ramsey. Cic gornel i'r Drenewydd. Tug at Mills Evans arbeniad i lawr, tug at Barnes y dacl ar ergyd. Yn dod i mewn arbediad o didog gan Ramsey. Mills Evans! Yn rhwydo gol gysur i'r Drenewydd. 7 munud o'r 90 yn weddill.
We knew it was going to be a tough game, and we said at the start that we played Newtown three times and lost on 3 occasions. I think fine margins were involved in them games, but tonight we put faith in the way we went last week, and it certainly paid off. I thought the boys again were magnificent. We've hit really good form now since the Barry game, and it's good timing for us. Only the small matter of TNS next week, but we'll enjoy this one this weekend. Fantastic following again tonight for the last home league game of the season. So that guarantees us a home playoff game now. So yeah, made up.
Dwi'n meddwl am y 5-6 gêm dwythaf ni'n chwarae dda. Sy'n cael results o brisi yn heddi hwnna. Mae wedi methu 2-3 1-on-1. A pan di lyc yn mynd i'ch seicar, dwi'n byth yn mynd i fewn. So gol fel yna, cymryd o'r confidence i fyny fewn.
Wrth gwrs, mi gyda chi gol ac gol wych oedd i fyd.
Di dysgu nach chi jyst y gorau, ond neis gicio, neis chwarae tîm neitha gêm. Dwi'n dechrau 2 dwythaf, so gobeithio gael i chwarae'n TNS yna, sefyd daunting task.
Ie, ond ydych chi curo nhw yn Neuadd y Parc yn barod y tymor yma?
Do, dwi'n meddwl, da ni'n mynd yna, o'n ni yna fo back 8, dwi'n meddwl. Ar ôl watch nhw yn Newtown Newtown os dwythaf. Da ni'n gwybod faint o dda dyn nhw, ond sgyn ni'n byd i golli, da ni'n mynd yna free sheet, so gwni weld.
Better team won, simple as that. Better team won. I would give them credit, they were very clinical. They took the chances when they had them. We made some basic errors defending, which is not good enough from our point of view. The last half an hour, look, yes, okay, we had a lot of the ball and we created some chances, but the game's done. You're 4-0 down, and there's no point in being brave and trying to play when you're 4-0 down. You've got to do when it's 0-0, it's 1-0, and you're trying to get back in the game. So, you know, almost the game was done after an hour. So whatever happened after that was kind of irrelevant. Yes, you know, like I said, we got back. You know, we scored a goal. We probably deserved the goal and overall, but you know, look, credit to them. They took the chances, and they were the better team on an evening.